this mindfulness to the pain is nothing but to stop resisting the pain. Stop resisting the pain. Stop struggling with the pain and start accepting the pain. Yes, she is my loved one, my own daughter-in-law or my own daughter. She has caused this and it is painful. Just accept that and to move along, then that will be a great way to start on the path of forgiveness. Very simply put, by accepting, you stop suffering, which means you also have to accept somebody else's wrongdoing. If it is somebody, a stranger, it is very easy to forgive, because a stranger has done something wrong. It's much easier. Only when it is our loved ones, we have to accept the person has done something wrong. That is where the whole crux of the thing is. Accept that, not in a vengeful manner, but in a manner that they are also on this path of evolution. Someday they will also realize to be able to overcome that action. So this mindful therapy, what we are going to go through is, it's a part of self-discovery and self-knowledge. And the most important thing in this mindful therapy is relationships are extremely important, much more than any technique. Because many a times, as we are saying, it's within our loved ones, it is, we get into suffering. But we always have to remember, how can we keep this relationship going? And sometimes, as I said earlier, sometimes you don't want to be in a relationship. But at least at the level of your mind, that relationship has to be okay. Even if you don't want to have that same friendship like earlier, that friend should not harm you in your mind, because that friend might be quite far away. But as I said, he is very close to you in your own mind.